So now let's get into optimizing our YouTube channel. To do this, we're going to want to click on our profile picture on the top right, and then click Creator Studio. And then this might bring you to the new version of the Creator Studio. I recommend going back to the old version because the new version doesn't have some of the features, so we can just click Other and then click Submit. And this will bring us back to the old version of the YouTube Creator Studio. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, first thing I recommend doing is clicking Channel on the left-hand side right there. And more than almost anything, I recommend you verify your YouTube channel. Now, this is super simple. All you have to do is click this blue verify button and put in your phone number and verify it. But this is absolutely crucial because by verifying your YouTube channel, it enables you for monetization and it enables you to put custom thumbnails, which are absolutely crucial. Putting good thumbnails, because usually the default thumbnails won't capture people's attention as much. We want to grab people's attention, so we're going to need those custom thumbnails, so make sure you do verify your YouTube channel. And verifying super simple. You can just text a verification code or have it call you. So there we go, guys. I just verified this new YouTube account. As you can see, that's super quick and simple. And then you can just click continue. And as you can see, this new channel is now verified.